This year has been wild for space, like a science fiction movie come to life. We are talking about hints of alien life. We even got a green glowing interstellar visitor and telescopes peeling back layers of universe we didn't even know existed. So 2025 wasn't just a breakthrough year. It was a full on cosmic party. And today we are diving into what has to be one of the most epic years in space history, 2025. Okay, let's start with the start of 2025. The James Webb Space Telescope launched back in 21, but this year it recorded many paradigm shifting discoveries. Like imagine watching a double sunset with Luke Skywalker on Tatooine, but this time it's for real and it's called TOI 2267, a Star Wars like setup about 73 light years away, just with the first binary star system ever where planets transist both stars. Three Earth sized exoplanets orbiting around a pair of cool, dim red dwarf stars. And the craziest part 10 years ago, basically every expert would have bet their telescope that this system was impossible. We also observed the first ever flip for a black hole. M87 star is the first black hole we ever saw. It flipped its magnetic field not once but twice in just 4 years, and then the earliest supernovas ever spotted. Now picture this 13 billion years ago, when the universe was just 730 million years old. JWST nailed it down to GRB 250314A, a gamma ray burst from that ancient universe. Using JWST's NIR cam to capture the faint afterglow and even spot the host galaxies. It uncovered the monster stars also, the population 3 stars, the universe's OGs. Then one of a kind triple star system was also discovered called EPEP that looks like a massive cosmic embryo hatching in the chaos discovered by the James Webb. And get this, it is named after the Egyptian god of chaos. Fitting, right? And now shifting gears to exoplanets. Scientists have identified an exoplanet without a sun with a ferocious appetite, straight up feasting like a black hole on a buffet, located in Chameleon constellation roughly 620 light years away. The rogue planet named CHA 1107 7626 exists in the vast emptiness of a space. Rogue planets like these are the cosmic drifters, worlds that roam the galaxy unlike the familiar planets bound to any solar system. Now, most of the rogue planets like these are thought to be cold and silent wanderers, but this is different. The idea that a planetary object can behave like a star, for an instance, CHA 11077626, is not just drifting through interstellar space, it is feeding, slurping up gas and dust at a mind blowing 6 billion tons per second speed. And that's like wolfing down 10,000 Everest every tick of the clock, non stop. The origin of rogue planets remain an open question. But in the meanwhile, the strongest hint of alien life yet ever discovered from K2 18b, a Hycean world 124 light years away, detecting dimethyl sulfide or DMS in its atmosphere. On Earth, DMS is only produced by living organisms like the phytoplankton. Now it's debated. It could be a geological trick, but imagine if it's microbes. It's like finding a message in a bottle from across the galaxy. But JWST's precision makes it the strongest case yet. The James Webb Space Telescope also discovered its first planet by directly imaging it. In June 2025, JWST captured its first direct image of an exoplanet, TWS 7b, around a young star, capturing a visual snapshot of a world beyond our solar system for the first time. And I know what you are thinking. JWST has already detected plenty of planets. That's true, but it didn't photograph them directly. In other words, it detected them, but without directly seeing them actually. And one more thing, the mature spiral galaxy, Alaknanda, JWST spotted this Milky Way look-alike galaxy 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, way earlier than the theories allowed. Also, the first strong evidence of a thick atmosphere on a rocky lava world like TOI 567b, another wild one, a lemon shaped planet due to its tidal forces, showing extreme worlds out there, is discovered by none other than JWST. These aren't just pretty pictures, they are reshaping how we hunt for life and understand the planet formations. The JWST is revolutionizing the exoplanet science. It's like solving a puzzle where pieces are billions of years old. Well, that was JWST alone. Now let's zoom closer to our home rather than to a visitor from afar. The interstellar comet 3I Atlas, discovered in July 2025 by NASA's Atlas survey, hence the name, it dipped through our galaxy with 137,000 mph speed, with exotic chemistry and a dramatic anti-tail. And it recently crossed its path with Earth on December 19th, just days ago. Now, moving on to our solar system, because our backyard got spicy too. The Uranus got a new moon, courtesy of JWST S/2025 U1, a faint 8 to 10 kilometer rock orbiting with 28 others. And the Saturn, the Moon King, strikes again. 128 new confirmed in March, totaling 274. Chang's E6 sample from the moon's far side water-rich traces suggesting ancient asteroid bombardment and its clues on Earth's water origins. Perseverance found the strongest evidence yet of ancient microbes in Zero's rock vein pattern screaming biology. Now the incredible Vera C. Rubin Observatory's first breathtaking space images stunned with wide-field galaxy clusters surpassing resolutions with its world's largest digital camera of 3.2 gigapixel, capturing 10 million galaxies in a single frame. It also detected 2000 plus asteroids in our solar system, 7 of which were near Earth objects, NEOs, in just 10 hours of observations, showcasing the telescope's unprecedented ability to map the universe. So 2025 was transformative. We explored the universe like never before. And as we stand on the brink of these revolutions, one thing is clear: the stars are closer than we think. Well, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe and drop your favorite 2025 discovery in the comments. See you next time.